Okay, so we're at the Indianapolis airport. Starting off with a food review, doing it right.
You can have it if you want.
We got buttermilk, sweet onion chips. I kind of like it. What do you think? What do you think, Elijah? How are those chips treating you? Elijah's very hungry.
I'm so happy.
He was getting a little hangry.
I'm so happy right now.
Actually, Elijah was fine,
10 out of 10.
but he needed food.
10 out of 10.
So I'm gonna try some of this coffee. That's a pretty nice brew for airplane coffee. I'm digging it. This man, he brought me 3 packets of sugar and cream. Absolute legend.